What's up, y'all? AJ Simmons here, founder of the Clean Biz Network, and today I want to give you a clip. It's actually not going to be me talking this time, and I found a clip from the rapper Slim Thug, multimillionaire, and he's talking about, how to get rich, how to go from the bottom and make it to being actually rich. But also he talks about how you don't necessarily have to get like uber rich to live a rich lifestyle either. So this clip, when I found it, it was one of the most realest things I ever heard. So I said, you know what, I'm finna re-upload this. Shout out to I think it's 9mag TV for posting this. So hopefully they'll let me keep this up. I'm shouting them out. I'm keeping their trademark or watermark on the video, so make sure you go subscribe to their channel as well. But I had to share this with you, so without further ado, we're gonna do the intro and I'm gonna go ahead and drop that clip for you.
Headed to the top, there ain't none of y'all stopping me. Used to say I never get a ring, Charles Barkley. Now I got a wife, got kids, on property. Bubble-eyed beans that look like that be watching me. Okay, I lied about the beans, but that was hard though. I'm still in that black act, but she starred though. Cause that's all it takes. I'm flashing for. I'm on my grind, not no motherfucking fashion show.
The world is bigger than your hood. You can't get rich only fucking with your hood. If you want to get rich, you gotta know motherfuckers outside of your hood. Your hood is not gonna make you rich, man. You gotta be bigger than that to get more money than that. So think like that. You want less enemies as you can have and the most friends as you can have, because the more friends you got, the more support you got, the more opportunity to get money, the more allies, the more shit you can do with people. All that shit add up, kid. You know what I'm saying? So fix your mean mug too, because how you gonna get some money if you don't like nobody? A lot of people out here dealing with mental illness and trying to make it look cool. That's why they up. A lot of these are slow and can't do nothing but up. So, and they try to make it like it's a cool thing, but really it's a slow thing. You know what I'm saying? A lot of them niggas can't spell. A lot of them niggas who that's their only option. They can't hustle. They can't do nothing else. So you know what I'm saying? And they just try to make what they do look cool. And they want you to crash with them. Crash dummies want you to crash with them. Crash dummies want homeboys to crash with them all the time. Remember that. You know what I'm saying? Crash dummies don't like crashing alone. They like bringing other people to crash with them. All I'm telling you, I'm from the hood, man. Everybody who know me, you know what I'm saying? I done seen every side of everything, man. I'm trying to give you some game. It's 2022. I'm trying to help somebody start their year out right. Get off the dumb shit. Nothing cool about going to jail. Saying I don't give a fuck about going to jail makes you slow. It make you not have common sense. If you a nigga who don't give a fuck, you a little slow. So understand the niggas who out here in the street saying, man, I don't give a fuck, I go to jail for this. Them niggas is slow. Identify slow around you and know that you don't need to move with the slow niggas. You need to separate yourself from the slow niggas who own them. That's simple, you know what I'm saying? So, yeah, money ain't everything. You know what I'm saying? Especially hitting a lick. If you can't maintain the money, it's worthless. You know what I'm saying? Get some money, buy some shit, and have to sell it in 6 months if you have no backing of hustle. You gotta have income, bro. You can't just hit a lick and you good. That ain't how life works. You gotta have income. The bills is every month, my nigga. If you hit one lick for a few $1,000s, it's not gonna change your life. You are risking your life going to jail for years for a short time of your life. Staying free and just paying a bill, living in some apartments is not that bad, kid. Having family, being able to your bill, see your kids, life is not that bad. You know what I'm saying? If it's not worth going to jail, a chain ain't worth going to jail for, a car ain't worth going to jail for. None of that shit worth losing a life or taking a life for. None of that shit. So, yeah, I'm just telling you, I got chains, I got big chains, big earrings, all that shit. I don't even wear that shit, man. Like, it's not worth it, I wear my smallest chain, I wear my iWatch. That's what I wear. Because where the fuck am I going with all this shit? Where the fuck is you going with all this jewelry on? If you ain't motherfucking a rapper who going on stage, you know what I'm saying? And if you wearing all this jewelry and doing crime, you making yourself a target to the police and a target to the streets. So you double putting targets on you and setting yourself up for failure So you really in a trap. You trapping yourself in a lot of different ways. You know what I'm saying? All you doing is making it a broker want to rob you and letting the police know you getting too much money to be in the hood without having a job. So simple shit like that can keep you free in these streets, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, what else? I don't know. Yeah, but like I say, man, I'm gonna tell you the truth, man. Don't crash out behind no chains, no bankroll, not even no money hitting no licks. It's about having an income, bro. It's all about having some money coming in every month, just like you having them bills coming in every month. A nigga who got $20,000 income every month is a millionaire. If you got $20,000 every month, you are a millionaire. Know that. Just know that. If you can get you an income, trying to chase $1 million, looking at it like, man, I need $1 million and I'm gonna be good. Now, find out how you can get some income every month of $20,000. That's the goal is way shorter. Chase that, and you a millionaire. You can go live in $1 million house for under $10,000 a month with all the bills paid. You can pay that for under $10,000. So you're a millionaire living in $1 million. You can go get you a fly ass exotic ride for $2,000, $3,000 at most. You know, you're a millionaire, man. Just chase that $20,000 in income. But hitting the lick ain't gonna do it. You can't rob a motherfucker and maintain that. You have to figure out how to have an income of $20,000. You have to figure that shit out. That's what it's all about, kid. That's the goal. I'm telling you, it's a shorter goal, and you could do that shit in so many ways. You could do that shit having your own store. You could do that shit doing so much different shit. Like, you know, if you just take the time and really invest. Oh shit, Thugger News. Look, he pissed. Thugger News, he was swinging at the air, ran dead in the back of his shit. Thugger News live on the scene before the police, once again, who always put you on game all the time.
Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.
Yeah, but like I was saying, man, $20,000, you can afford to do whatever you want. You can go eat at the best restaurants. You can do all that with $20,000 of income. Like, you don't need $1 million. You just need $20,000 a month. So, and you don't even need that. I'm talking about to live like, you know, your best life, you know. So think about that when you're waking up every day, like, man, what can I do to give me, you know, $20,000? Whether it's a few rent houses, starting in the hood, get $1,000 a piece, get 20 rent houses. Good, you know what I'm saying? Like, start with one. It could be however long it take to get your, you know, you might look up on 2 this year, you know, no telling. Whatever it be. But focus on that $20,000 in income every month, and you good. But it ain't gonna come with no licks. It ain't gonna come with hustling. Because if you hustling with selling drugs, all the niggas go to jail, man. You're gonna have to go to jail eventually. It ain't a forever thing. It's not a forever hustle. You're gonna have to go to jail eventually, or you're gonna have to quit. And most ain't gonna know when to quit. And most is gonna go to jail. And you're gonna lose a lot of time and money when you go to jail, paying for lawyers, being away from your family, all that dumb shit. So, you know what I'm saying? I'm trying to say you need some time, man, because that's the only thing you need to be worried about. That's the most richest thing you can have is time. The most richest thing you can have is at home time with your family. That's the best thing you can find in the world. Not the money, not the chains, not the cars. I got every car I own, drive them hoes. Where I'm going? Where I'm driving the Maybach, where I'm going in the Lambo. It's not, the party ain't even that lit. I need to be in my Escalade or something regular. It ain't nowhere to go. What am I, you know what I'm saying? Okay, my big chain, where I'm wearing that to? Where is it at? If it ain't Beyonce or Jay-Z in the city, we don't even need all that. What are we doing? And the nigga who got an apartment with 1 bedroom, my homeboy, if you just with me, you doing the same shit we doing. You living like I'm living. You f***ing the same hoes I'm f***ing. You smoking like I'm smoking. You drinking like I'm drinking. You don't have to have $1 million. You don't have to have it. You don't gotta be the nigga with the $1 million, man. It ain't worth it all the time, kid. We can still f*** all the same bitch. We can still do everything. It's about you being a real nigga, cool nigga, brother, no matter what you got. If you a cool nigga, you good. It don't matter. The bitch is gonna fuck with you when I fuck with him, he cool. You get out for that. You don't need a bankroll all the time. So niggas be going to jail for nothing. You know what I'm saying? It's crazy. It's crazy, man. Calm the fuck down, bro. You don't have to have all that shit, you know what I'm saying? Like, and that's my message to the black man, whoever, every man, you know what I'm saying, whatever race that's out here, you know, feeling like they ready to take a chance for all this shit. I had all that shit, I got all that shit, this shit ain't worth shit. Like, at the end of the day, it's about, I'm telling you, being able to go home and what you care about. You know what I'm saying? Like, seeing your kids and being able to have a family in your house, that's what life is about, kid. That's having a bag right there. All that other shit is stress, headaches. It's fun sometimes, I ain't gonna lie to you. It's fun sometimes, but it ain't worth going to jail for. You gotta do 6 months to keep all your cars. I say, them cars. You gotta do 6 months to hold your jury. That jury. Ain't nothing more important than me waking up, being able to come outside, chill, smoke do my run. This shit is priceless to me, you know what I'm saying? Bad bitch, travel, like that's life, that's it. That's all you need, kid. Like, a lot of motherfuckers lose a lot of lives and time behind shit that really ain't all that important. I have all that shit. Trust me, I'm just trying to give y'all some insight, because a lot of rappers have to live in character. A lot of rappers have to live in character and pretend shit cool and pretend shit this and that. But I don't live like that, man. I don't give a fuck about nobody's opinion of. I don't give a fuck. I know who I am. I know how many bad bitches I know how many cars I done had. I know everything about me to where I'm comfortable. You can't shame me. I know what the fuck I am. I know what the fuck I did. I'm not looking up to you, nigga, to care about an opinion. You feel me? So I don't have to live in character. I'm just who the fuck I am. You know what I'm saying? And I love that shit. And a lot of niggas live in character who y'all look up to. A lot of these niggas is liars. A lot of these niggas is pretenders, you know what I'm saying? And they just really out here just, you know what I'm saying, playing a role, really. I ain't mad, you know, I ain't trying to talk down, because it's entertainment, you know what I'm saying? At the end of the day, it's entertainment, and should run up their bag, you know what I'm saying? But at the end of the day, this real life, though, you know what I'm saying? In real life, none of that dumb shit matter. It sound good in the song, you know what I'm saying? It's something to chant in the club, all that's cool, but at the end of the day, I'm telling you what matter, kid. That's all that matters. Oh, I can go home, you know, she can make me a sandwich. I can talk to my child. I can, you know, all that shit there is, that's it. You know what I'm saying? Anything else is like a cookie, like on a meal. That's just dessert. Most shit, you know, you love it. Yeah, dessert tastes good, but it ain't what you really came up for. You know what I'm saying? It's cool. It ain't, you know what I'm saying? I dessert, but it ain't the whole meal. The meal is what I'm here for, you feel me? And the meal is that, having a family and motherfuckers who really support you and holding you down, some real motherfuckers around you. That's the only thing that matters. Everything else is just, it's cool, like I say, it's cookies and it's dessert, but it ain't all that, you know, it ain't everything. So don't go to jail for no shit like that, you know what I'm saying? That's all I'm saying, my nigga. Don't go to jail for no shit like that, that's all I'm saying. But yeah, man, 2022, if you broke, start with fixing yourself. Start with working out. Say, man, I ain't got no money. I'm finna get fine on these hoes. Hit the gym up, hit the park up. Do whatever you gotta do. Don't be fat and broke. Don't be like, you know what I'm saying? They gonna be like, damn, this is sorry than a bitch. Get yourself together. They gonna be like, okay, he ain't got his money right, but shit, he got some type of, you know what I'm saying, discipline about him. So that's my advice to a broke. Start with getting your body together, even if you got to do it in the hood. Like, don't just be broke and lazy and just don't do shit. Give them up something to look for.
Thank you for watching my video, and make sure you hit that like button if you liked the video, because I know you did, and also hit subscribe, and right beside that subscribe button is going to be a notification bell. You gotta click that, because guess what? You never know when I'm gonna go live. As a matter of fact, I might go live right now. So make sure you hit that notification bell so you don't miss my videos, all right? And if you wanna start or grow your business, check out cleanbiznetwork.com, all right? We have cleaning business starter kits. We have a lead generation service to help you grow your cleaning business, all type of stuff. And also don't forget to download the Calculated Clean mobile app as well, all right? So that's what I got for y'all until you click another video and go watch, man. Watch another video, why not? Binge on it, let's go.